encourage her on the Renewed Hope initiative, which we've all heard about, which is championing with a lot of the other first ladies, and of course the wife of the vice president, really just to encourage and to share the vision that she has for the Renewed Hope initiative, and just to talk me through, I mean, what kind of interventions they're looking at, and how she's running a complementary role to what Mr. President is also doing, and I think it's great. You know, our own idea is not necessarily to begin to build brick and mortar, is really to be able to intervene, you know, in schools, you know, for people needing scholarship, in farming, you know, people needing implements, you know, seedlings, and also to be able to provide immediate succor, you know, for families and for people that that are vulnerable in the society, that the initiative can indeed target it, and I think it's beautiful. So those are some of the things we talked about, and we will, as a government, also see how we can help, you know, as we move along, right?
Okay. The federal government is embarking on so many reforms as we speak, and of course it's taking its toll. Of course, we are also expecting that it will start yielding dividends, you know, in a matter of time. Your take on the ongoing reforms and probably what you want Nigerians, you know, the kind of attitude they should adopt as we speak.
You know, so we're running against time. There's so many things that we need to do differently, start or also improve upon. So it will appear as if, you know, Mr. President has a short time to be able to do a whole lot of things, and that was what he promised, and that's what we should expect. But it has to be in a systematic order, and I think that's what he's trying to do, you know. But generally, as a people, we just want the changes now, you know, and we have to continue to encourage him, support him, and encourage our citizens as well, that we see a bright light down the tunnel. Not doing anything is not an option. So, you know, in the course of doing things differently, there'll be belt up here, there'll be tightness there, but at the end of the day, we believe, you know, the result and the outcomes of those reforms will improve the quality of life, will make things a lot better for citizens, and will probably just make, you know, the economy continue to grow in a direction that we're all appreciative of. Thank you.
Thank you very much.